3 injured in gruesome pitbull attack. 2 pitbulls jumped over a fence looking for trouble. When the dust had settled, another dog had been mauled to death and its elderly owner injured along with 2 other people who had come to her rescue. The gruesome attack happened in Jeffreys Bay in the Eastern Cape on Monday. 2 pitbulls jumped a boundary fence of a house and attacked the elderly woman and her dog, confirmed Sergeant Majolan Kali. It is believed the dogs also attacked 2 other people who rescued the elderly woman. The 3 injured victims were taken to hospital for treatment. Her dog unfortunately died at the scene. The SPCA was called to remove the dogs. Police have opened a case of contravening the Animal Matters Amendment Act against the owner of the pitbulls. The owner will have to account for allowing his animals to cause injury to another person, said Ngali.